Hi, beautiful souls. Welcome to today's quick yoga flow. Let's release stress, energize the body, and find calm in just a few minutes.
Shift your weight to your right leg, lift the left knee, and bring your hands to prayer at the chest. Find your balance. Switch sides, breathe, and steady your mind.
Remember, yoga is about feeling, not forcing.
Remember to breathe deeply and move gently through your day. Join me again tomorrow for another flow.